y'all, we finna try to do this. I got my Python and I'm backing up all crooked versus his Typhon. Dang, if I can get this straight, y'all, sorry. We don't know how this is gonna go because we don't know. You want me to call it?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, we're gonna go on 3. All right, we're gonna go on 3. We don't know how it's gonna go, y'all. 1, 2, 3. See, look at that. We both slipping. Slipping, boy. Woo, I got scared. Guess we coming on back down. Woo, there we go. Yeah. It's scary over here. Y'all don't understand.
It's really squirrely out here.
Yeah, it's bad. I got hoons on. He got, I mean, it's... See, I can barely stop. So I say they almost probably about even, ain't they? They probably about even.
I think you're a little faster.
Maybe just by barely, but...
I think you're a little faster.
You know, because my tires may be a little bit bigger. That's what it is. See, they're between the hoons.
Yeah,
the hoons a tad bit bigger, so... What gear are you running yours?
That one's 2546, I think.
See, I ain't 2546. I'm 3525, I think.
Oh yeah, you got spool in there.
Yeah, I got a spool in there. So, yeah. So that's the difference, y'all, right there. But anyway, we want to get this out, run this real quick, show this to y'all. Y'all know what to do. Subscribe, you better. No, I'm just playing. See y'all in the next video.